अरे ये बॉटल, इसका हम कुछ कर सकते हैं. Let's check out with a simple experiment for which we need a bottle and it should be having 3 holes at different heights. The holes are made by a pointed nail which should be of uniform size. I make 3 holes on this bottle at different heights. Will the water that will be coming out of this will travel the same distance? Since we have already observed the experiment, let's now understand the concept behind it. When we make a hole in this bottle filled with water, the water starts coming out forcefully. That happens because of the pressure. In liquids, pressure increases with the height. Due to the mass of the water above the column, this is known as the hydrostatic pressure. The pressure at the hole 1 is maximum due to its depth. Thereby, water oozes out from this with more pressure and velocity, and it also goes to a greater distance. This is also explained by Torricelli's law, which explains the speed of the water flowing depends upon the height of the hole. It is also given by a formula V is equal to root 2 Gs, called as velocity of a flight. Calculate the velocity for the hole 1, where the velocity is v1, so it will be 2 into, we are taking an approximate value of the g, that is 9.8 into 22 centimeter of the height. Similarly, we can calculate for v2, again 2 into 9.8 into 14 centimeter, and for v3 we can calculate 2 into 9.8 into 12 centimeter.